What's up guys, it's TJ, and in this video we're talking about Coinbase Card rewards. How do you cash out, right? I get tons of comments about this. How do I get my rewards? I'm gonna show you guys how to cash out your Coinbase Card rewards, and also a secret tip on how to get the lowest fees whenever you're doing this. So let's go ahead and we'll dive into it. All right, first off, let's subscribe. If you're not already, subscribe. It helps us out. And while you're down there, click the thumbs up button because it tells YouTube our videos are awesome. So thank you guys for helping us out. So let's talk about Coinbase Card rewards. So for me, I always choose the XLM because it's 4%. So instead of getting like 1% back in Ethereum or Bitcoin, now it looks like it's 2% on Bitcoin. I normally just choose the highest percentage, and then at the end of that month, I convert all of that into Bitcoin or just USDC or whatever I'm gonna do, right? So I'm gonna show you guys. We'll go to assets. So all of the XLM that's in here is just from the last month. So I have $248.78, which is awesome. So if I click on this right here and I click trade, let's see how much the fee is if I sold all of this right here. So basically for your Coinbase Card rewards, it all just goes right into whatever asset you chose, right? So basically every time you swap that card, whatever percentage you're earning, so for me it's 4% back. If I pay $1,000 for rent or something like that, right? You're gonna get 4% back instantly in whatever coin that you chose. So I would get 4% back in XLM. So the coins that are in there, that's your rewards. So it's as simple as just selling them. But I get this comment all the time, so I still want to make a video to show you guys how it works. So if I sell the max, so we're gonna hit max. All right, you can see the Coinbase fee is $3.68. So depending on how much you're selling, this might not be a big deal to you. But for me, I like saving money and I have a cheaper way to do it. So $3.68, let's remember that number, right? So instead of selling right there, so if you want the short and easy way, just hit sell right there. Boom, you have your rewards. But for me, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Coinbase Pro, because I know on Coinbase Pro, the fees are way less. So I'll show you guys how to move your XLM from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro for free, and then we'll cash it out. All right, so we're gonna click on that pie chart on the bottom. It's gonna be the second tab, and then we're gonna hit deposit. So we're gonna type in XLM and click on that XLM. All right, so this is gonna load, and instead of hitting crypto address, we're gonna hit coinbase.com. So you click that, it shows you how many XLM you have in Coinbase. So then I'm gonna type that number in, so 1810.5403.523. Is that right? 540, 3523? Yeah, all right, cool. So then we're gonna hit deposit. And you can see fees is 0 and it's instant. So, all right, boom, done. So now we're gonna go to that first tab, which is the bars right there. And then we're gonna type in XLM right here. And it's gonna be the USD market. So XLM USD. So it's gonna be that fourth one right there for me. And then I'm gonna hit sell. Now, how many did I want to sell? Because I forgot I had some in here already. What was it? 1810. So we'll just do 1810 even. All right, so 1810. Look, the fee is 99 cents. So if you want to save that extra couple bucks on the fee, then this is how you do it, right? So we're gonna go ahead and we'll change this to a market order. All right, we're selling 1810. Boom, preview order. Boom, place order. All right, so there you go. That's how you cash out your Coinbase Card rewards, and you just do that for whatever coin that you're getting your rewards in. So that's the way to do it. That's the extra tip on how to save those few extra bucks on the fees. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you guys give us a thumbs up so YouTube knows this video is awesome, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Love y'all.